Hello everybody, Happy New Year. Welcome back to Real Stuff No Fluff. I'm your host Angela Nixon. I've been gone for a while, but guys, I'm here to help you get started in this 2020 season of making money. So I know you didn't come here to see a blank screen, so let's get started. Today I want to talk to you guys about making patterns. I've already started making some patterns here on the side as you saw, but I want to show you real quick how to get those patterns. All right, so let's go in. So you go to Canva, it's free, and you say create a design. Once you've signed in, logged in, however, you're going to go custom dimension. You want to do 5,000 by 5,000 when creating patterns. Why do we want to create a pattern? We want to create a pattern because we want it to go on more than one platform, and we want it to go on more than one product. So next thing we do is we go to elements. In elements, you will type in the word pattern. Here are different types of patterns that you will find. You do not want to go with the ones that are $1 because they're not public domain, meaning free to use. You want to go to the ones that are free. When you go to the ones that are free, you're going to try to select a picture that has the color that pops up on the left hand side. The reason we want that is we could change this color to whatever we want when we want to create our own look and feel. And what we do is just stretch it out. There are pictures that will not give us that wonderful color. Also, we can click here, plus sign, and be able to, really make some really funky colors, So that's what you want to do. Make sure that you choose something that's free and that when you click on it, it automatically gives you these color schemes that you can change. All right. So the next thing you're going to do is you label your pattern, because I have a hard time doing that. Label your pattern. Pattern 1, for example. And then what you do is you download. Now, if you don't want transparent background, you select transparent background and you download. If you want to have a background, which I would suggest in some cases, you just simply, let's go back and knock this off. You just simply slide your picture down, click inside the white. In the left hand corner, there's a background color, and you just choose your background, whatever that looks like to you. And then you just slide your picture back up, and then you say download again, and then you'll have a design that has something in the background. There you go. Another thing that I like to do is, and I believe it's only for those who are pro, that when I download, I like to double or triple up my size to ensure that I'm going to get a nice big size that's going to not give me any issues later. It's going to give me the highest resolution possible. Definitely always say go 3 times, which will give you 15 by 15. That's my suggestion. So let's go back to my desktop really quick. I want to show you something. Created. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you some information. This particular design is 8.7 megabytes. Really huge, 15,000 by 15,000. Where this design here, let's see, we want to get the information. It's only 5.5 megabytes, and that is 10,000 by 10,000. And this design here, let's get the information. This design here, get information, is 5,000 by 5,000. So here are 3 designs. They all have different sizes. So as you notice, the bigger I go, the larger. So that's going to give me the crisp look. So anyways, let's just get out of here. And then we're going to go to Printful. Type in Printful. All right. In Printful, we're going to go to mockup generator. Mockup generator is free, and we're going to choose an accessory. I like that they have this new thing called collections. Let's see, home living. Let's go with a coffee mug. Okay, we take a coffee mug. Takes 1.2 days to get here. We're going to select a design. So here's the thing. I'm going to select this design. This is, and you see it's only going to be in the middle. So we could take a corner, make it larger. Okay. And you see I'm still in, you always want at least to have 300 DPI here. I still have 1000 DPI. I'm going to look at the mockup view. And there's a nice mug, but here's the thing I don't like. I don't like the white at the top and the white at the bottom. So I don't normally do this one. So this is the one I do. Remember I said the transparent? I choose transparent. So we're going to upload the transparent. Let's call it this one. With the transparent background, you're going to see the reason why I like using transparent background. So we're going to choose this. Look at that, the 4,286 DPI. We only need 300 to really have something look really nice. So we're going to stretch this out. Okay, stretch it out on the corners, right? Still got so much room. That's going to come out really, really nice, guys. So what we do is we're going to do up the mock-up view. And see, nice. Even though I have it here and there, because there's nothing in the background, it still makes up for a nice mug. And then all I have to do now is just generate the file. I can have 11 ounce, 15 ounce, and voila. I say generate print files. Now I could take these files and I could put them on where I want to put them. I could put them on Instagram. I could put them on Facebook, you know, to show people what it looks like, because this is what you're going to get when you're showing people. You're going to get the actual mug. You're going to get every angle of the mug. The 15 ounce is going to look good all around. All right. I normally just choose the 11 ounce. It's just easier to do. And see, looks good, looks professional, and then we just download it. All right. Now that's Printful. Now we could take this design and let's go to Kin Customs. Kin Custom. Kin Customs is a site that allows you to make, just like Printful, you can make other wonderful products. So we're going to upload, check that this is my design. They only require about 144 DPI to 300. Okay, so I'm going to use my black and blue because I really like that color. So remember, this is 8.5, so it's going to take a, oh no, it's moving like grooving. Here's our design once it's been uploaded. All right, we're going to apply the design. And when you apply the design goes on pants, a shirt, shorts, a graphic tee. You could even change the graphic tee to a different color. Leggings, crop tops, tennis shoes, all of this. Pillows, shower curtain. So I just created with one design an avenue to make money on other things. I mean, like, look at this backpack. We go back to Canva. So you've utilized your Kin Customs, Printful, and then now we want to utilize going back to Canva Okay, gonna go home. We're gonna create a design, and now we're gonna change our dimensions to here we want to go inches, 12.49 by 9.25, and that is going to be a 6 by 9 cover size. Okay, so that design that we had will go to the left hand side to uploads, and we're going to choose my favorite design, but I don't need it as big, so I'm going to go with that one. And we're going to stretch it from one end to another end, like so. All right. Make sure it's in there really good. There we have it. Okay. Done. All right. So we click done, upload our pattern. We click done, and here we have the pattern. We will go back to elements, and we will find a nice shape. This will do like a square, and we're gonna if you take this part right here, if it'll help flatten it, we can make a nice little what do you want to call it, a rectangle. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch it all the way out to the end, and right now it's showing it's gray, so I'm going to move it, so I want it to be if you see the little plus sign, it is directly in the middle. Okay, and it also kind of gives me a gauge of where the middle is going to be on the right hand side for me too. I'm going to change this color to blue. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to our text. Gonna find us a nice little text. Let's go with this one. Okay. Well, we're going to stretch it out a little bit here. Make it smaller. And then I wait till I see that it's kind of hitting that middle line. That's going to let me know that I'm pretty much going to be centered in this. So all I need to do is just bring this side in like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to ungroup because I don't want this top section. Oh God, let's put that back. I don't want the top section. Delete the top. Was there a bottom section? Okay, so I just want this section here. I'm going to pull it down just a little bit. All right, and what we're going to do here is we're going to say 20, 20, 2020 to 2021. Weekly planner. All right, so that's kind of huge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this.
This might answer your question. Love genres are pop.
Now you know I didn't say anything to her for her to come on. Alexa, stop. So it seemed like as soon as you want to record something, everything that could go wrong will try to go wrong, but you gotta press forward. So we know this is at 57, so I'm gonna make this like a 36. I'm gonna pop this down here. All right, and I think I want this to be itself. I want it to be maybe like a 24. So it looks like this, right? And then we're gonna see if it's gonna hit that middle section again. Let's see. because I'm anal when it comes to that. And you ought to be too. So what? See, I'm waiting. There it is. All right. So that lets me know that I'm going to be pretty much dead smack in the middle on this side. I have it exactly the way I want it. And then all I do is I say download as a PDF print. And I say download. And now I have in 30 minutes created, about 30 minutes, I've created a pattern for our shoes or t-shirts, mugs, pants, you name it. So now we took one pattern and we can make money with just one pattern. We can upload to all the different platforms that will help us make money. So I want to thank you guys again. Keep coming. I'm going to be putting more stuff up. I'm going to be putting some reviews up so you guys can see what these products look like, so you know exactly what your customer have. But I just want to thank you guys again for joining me and learning. If there's anything you want to know here, just drop me a message, a note, and say, Angela, how do you do this? And I will be glad to show you. And if I don't know, I will make sure I do know. So you guys stay blessed, and I look forward to seeing you guys again. All right now. Bye-bye.